Today, I'm going to be showing you how to get the bird add-ons. So how to get the bird add-ons? So how to get the add-ons? You want to go to Google Chrome.
Did you know that today is Martin Luther King Jr. Day? In honor of Martin Luther King Jr., a brilliant. It's always
That
nice to visit
you have to do this by this. Type in www. You want to type in www.bonzibuddy.org. Once you type in this website, click enter. Then there's all the add-ons. My favorite, voice email. You can click voice email. It will load to this website. Then you want to put your email, then click order and download. Bye everybody. That's how to download add-ons.
I hope to come back soon, Jillian.